We're good.
All good?
Yep.
Alright. I'll be doing a DansComp unboxing today, my new complete. I got a premium Chad Curley signature, so I'll just open it up.
I'm really excited. Gold $1,700 today, and this could be worth a fortune. What it looks like this.
Alright, loaded with paper. I got it in the matte black colour. Should be alright. Box out the way. That's it there. Check anything else we got in here. We got bars in here, I think. And there. Plastic chain guard. I got my DansComp calendar with the shirt that I got. It's pretty cool. And I think we have pedals in here. I'll just open it up. See where I put the knife. Put it up the knife here. Yep, we got some pedals and some brakes. Just open one of them up to give you a look. These are premium slim pedals. Pretty nice. Should look good. That's that. And what else we got? Got some bolts and reflectors. Oh, we got the premium seat, pivotal seat. Pretty nice. Hopefully it's comfortable. And brake cables. I think these are the premium Chado pegs. I'm not quite sure. It should be. Open up one of them. What do we got there? Some sort of spacers. There we go. Look there. Pretty nice. Hopefully put to good use. And lastly, it's got pedal reflectors and my seat post. So I'll do, that's the box. Just take this stuff apart. Cut it off. Yeah, I've got the frame in the 20.8 inch top tube. That was pretty much the only one they had. I would have preferred 21, but it shouldn't really make much of a difference. Cut the tire. That's one of the wheels there. That's the front wheel. We got the what is it? The Alienation Deviant with the CK tyre. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice. I think it's the 2.4 size tyre for the front. This off. Got the nice CK graphics at the bottom of the frame there. Full chromo. We got the top and bottom gusset for added strength, which is pretty nice, and the front load stem. Hopefully it holds up alright. Pull this off. Little reflectors on the wheels. I think that's pretty much it. What I'll do now, I'll just probably put it together and we'll give you guys a run through while I put